Hi, thanks again for watching another video with Stand Up Men Mentorship. I am your host, Sherman Owens, and in this video today, we'll be talking about debunking the myth. You do not need 20% down to buy a home. You do not need 20% down to buy a home. Debunking the myth. You do not need 20% down to buy a home in 2024. The dream of owning a home is a significant milestone for many individuals and families. However, a common misconception that has persisted over the years is that the belief that you have to need a hefty 20% down payment to make the dream a reality. In this video, I'll explore why this myth exists, debunk it with facts, and shed light on alternative options for aspiring homeowners. Historically, the 20% down payment rule gained prominence as a benchmark for mortgage approval. The idea was that a substantial upfront payment would demonstrate financial stability and reduce the lender's risk. While a larger down payment can have advantages, it's not an absolute requirement in today's real estate landscape. Contrarily to popular belief, there are several mortgage programs that allow buyers to secure a home with a much lower down payment. Federal Housing Administration loans, for an example, often require as little as 3.5% down. Additionally, Veteran Affairs loans and United States Department of Agriculture loans offer zero down payment options for eligible individuals. Increased affordability. A low down payment opens the doors to home ownership for a broader range of individuals who may not have substantial savings. Faster entry into the housing market. Waiting to save 20% can delay home ownership. With lower down payment options, buyers can enter the market sooner and start building equity. Flexibility in finances. Saving for a smaller down payment allows home buyers to maintain financial flexibility for other priorities such as emergency funds, investments, or home improvements. To successfully navigate the home buying process with a low down payment, it's critical to be informed and strategic. Here are some key steps. Understand mortgage options. Research and explore mortgage programs that cater to lower down payments, such as FHA, VA, and USDA loans. Check credit score. A good credit score is essential for securing favorable mortgage terms. Check your credit score and take steps to improve it if necessary. Budget wisely. Create a realistic budget that considers not only the down payment, but also closing costs, property taxes, and other home ownership expenses. Seek professional guidance. Consult with a mortgage advisor or financial expert who can provide personalized advice based on your financial situation. So the conclusion, the 20% down payment myth is a barrier that has deterred many aspiring homeowners from pursuing their dreams. By understanding the variety of mortgage options available and debunking this misconception, individuals and families can take confident steps towards home ownership without the need for a hefty upfront payment. Remember, the key is to be informed, financially prepared, and to explore the options that best suit your unique circumstances. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share, and check the description for more information just like this as well as the freebies.